What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on HYMC ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you all the pros and all the cons related to this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we have completed all 5-wave structure, and let me show you in details that this structure is very technical. If I measure the length of the first wave projected from the bottom of the second, as you can see we hit the 1.618 extension level, the most probable range, the most probable extension in the third wave compared to length of the first one, and we poke it through and bounce back. Definitely it is a very good and technical movement. Next one, let me show you right here. If I pull the same tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the retracement, we hit the 0.786 Fibonacci extension level at the price point of $2.96, and it is the most probable extension in the fifth wave compared to the length of the third one. So this movement to the upside is very technical, and I have to say that some of my viewers told that potentially we might have with this movement to the upside the retracement from the very top. Let me switch to daily time frame. From the very top, that was at I guess 2 years ago, yes, on August 2020, and it might be the retracement from this top to this bottom. And I have to say that in my technical analysis I will show you two cases, and I will show you the most bearish case that still has higher targets to hit, even if it is the retracement. So, and let's continue with the news. And I want to pay your attention on this article. It was published on March 16th and it's titled "After Rising Sharply, Is HYMC Still a Buy?" And I have to say that this article is extremely interesting, and it is the summary of all the pros and all the cons related to this company. And let me quote you this. Hycroft Mining highlights gold reserves. The Hycroft deposit is the second largest gold deposit in the United States at roughly 15 million ounces. And right here, more than 4 million ounce deposit is exceptionally rare, and they have almost 4 times higher with their deposit. Massive silver resource. According to CEO Diane Garrett, Hycroft has just under 1 billion ounces of silver, making it the most significant silver resource in the United States. Exploration potential. With over 70,000 acres, they have a lot of exploration potential. The current deposit, outlined in blue, is just a fraction of their land holdings, outlined in purple. And here is the map. Next one, fully permitted. Nevada is one of the best mining jurisdictions in the world. The Hycroft deposit is fully permitted. And here is the note. Permitting a massive resource like this is expensive and can take decades start to finish. Existing infrastructure. Hycroft is already an operating mine with roads, leach pads, crews and mining equipment. Here is the key risks, and it is very important. You have to know all the risks related to this company. History of bankruptcy at this property. The company previously known as Elite Nevada. And if you want to know more about this bankruptcy, please do your own due diligence and find out what was the reason of its bankruptcy. Next one, mostly low-grade sulfide is expensive to extract. This means if the price of gold will go lower from our current ranges, definitely it will be not so profitable for the company to extract this gold. Next one, high debt and low cash mean they need to raise money, possible dilution. And I've told you on my previous video that this company financially is not very stable according to the latest data, but on their latest press release they announced that the company has reached an agreement in principle with its primary lending partner to extend all principal debt repayments to one bullet payment in May 2027 from current maturity date of May 2025. So they have some kind of extension date where they should repay all their debts, but these debts should be repaid in one bullet. Definitely we have to keep an eye on this detail. Next one, let me show you this. For HYMC to be successful, they need the following: visionary leadership. Hycroft needs a charismatic leader and robust social presence. Next one, CapEx. They need an on-site mill to improve processing and lower cost. Next one, positive catalysts. Nevada is seasonally temperate. Hycroft's open pit mining operation can operate 24/7 once fully operational. Hycroft could dramatically increase its recoverable resources with improvements in leaching, exploration and drilling. With proper capex, their long-term cash cost could drop significantly. Record precious metal prices make even marginal grade projects economical. The current 34-year mine life could be extended through additional exploration. Exprot has a proven track record throughout the natural resource sector. And here are the final thoughts on HYMC according to this article. Including their $150 million in debt, gold in the ground equivalents were trading at less than $7 per ounce in February 2022 according to quick math. I believe Sprott saw tremendous value and took advantage. Adding AMC brings the massive social element, and definitely I completely agree that this company has huge upside potential, but this potential strongly correlated with the huge risks. Right here, as you can see on stocktweets.com website, HYMC ticker is on the 4th place on most active section, and it is on the 5th place on watcher section. This means it still has some kind of support from retail community. But on apewisdom.io website, it is on the 66th place, and it lost about 57 rows during 24 hours period. And according to this data, this company is losing its momentum on Wall Street Bets community, and this means we have chances to hit lower targets. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we completed all 5 waves, and definitely we should have some kind of retracement, and I marked these levels on my previous video, and we hit the upper border of the golden pocket range, and from this range we had a bounce, but I don't see enough volume to call this bounce the trend reversal. That's why I think we might see some kind of retracement to the upside to retrace this wave from this top to this bottom, and then we might have one more leg to the downside. But let me show you the most bearish case. If it is the retracement from the very top, as I already mentioned in the beginning of this video, we have to have 5-wave structure or 3-wave structure in our A wave, and we have 5-wave structure. Then we have to have 3-wave structure in our B wave, and for now it's debatable how we can consider this movement. And we have to have strictly 5-wave structure in our C wave. And in this case, if it is the most bearish forecast, we have to have at least one more 5-wave structure to the upside that might be at in worst case scenario slightly below this previous swing high. We might land somewhere at $2.5 price point. We might hit the double top pattern, or we might see some kind of extension in this wave, and we might hit about $4 price point, because it is one-to-one extension from this bottom to this top, projected to the bottom of the B wave. So it is the most bearish case, and even in this case we still have about $4 price point as our target for the medium-term profits. And that's why I think we can cautiously add to the position at these very ranges, but we have to keep in mind that we might see lower price action, and this will reduce all the price targets that I mentioned previously. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby,